So sorry to those who have been waiting quite a while for this next video to be produced. It has been months in the making, but yeah, last year we definitely had a busy time. We were enjoying living, enjoying sailing, enjoying the lifestyle, and I was still studying. Michael was back and forwards to work, so between all that, if French Polynesia taught us one thing, it was just to slow down and really enjoy our time traveling instead of racing around and just trying to tick off destinations. We want to spend longer there and enjoy the culture and the people. French Polynesia was really special, just the vibes there. The mana, as they call it, is something that really gets to you and makes you realize how special the place is.
Polynesians call it mana, which is basically like the energy or the life force of an area, and I've never... Chopu is definitely not mana.
How did it feel? How was it?
Intimidating would be the first word, but the vibes in the water are good. Definitely a challenging wave, but if you sort of sneak your way in there and show a little bit of respect here and there to the people, the locals and the wave, then yeah, you should come home with a couple of gems.
Excited to go back to Chopu?
Excited and nervous. To have sailed there was fulfilling. It was the dream to get there. Did everything we set out to do. We were surfing some of the most amazing waves. We're visiting these amazing islands. Just every opportunity we met friends and got the kites out here and there, and yeah, just got into the groove of the places.
We had our family on board, friends come to visit. Marie is an absolute energizer bunny. She's out there chasing fun and adventure every single day, and yeah, we had so much fun. Between work and study, we were just really trying to enjoy life.
French Polynesia taught us one thing, it would be
To slow down and enjoy the moment.
Polynesia in general has really highlighted to us what it really means to sort of be in a place without taking too much from it. Beauty of the landscapes, what the landscape can give back to you if you take the time to not exploit it or not use too much of it. Just learn it. Mrs. Pears, my mum and dad, everyone got to come over and try and experience something they wouldn't have if they just got on a plane and flown in and done the normal holiday thing. So despite doing almost a whole season just in French Polynesia, we've really just scratched the surface.
Between the 3 islands that we visited, Tahiti, Moorea and Wahine, just in those places alone we could spend weeks or months on end. So we're off.
Underway again. Season went by all too fast and we're starting to think about getting out of cyclone territory again. So see you later, Moorea. That's as far east as we go and we're starting to head back west. Woo! Sailing again. Downwind for once.
See you, Moorea! See you, Tahiti! How was your swim with the sharks today, Lois?
Fantastic.
Yes, and the stingrays?
The stingrays are beautiful. The sharks are a little bit scary. They're only scary, the sharks, till you get used to them.
Yeah.
Like that first, like, whoa.
Got Captain John on the wheel.
Ahoy there.
What a surprise, when the sun would barely rise, with the days to different words. Going on King Street, shit, call it Big Street, there wasn't no place to play. Whores in the bars, road full of cars, Hawaiians in decay. Tahitians say, heat, 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 heat away. Heat, 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 my heat, my, my, my. Heat, 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 heat away. Heat, 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 my heat, my, my, my. In 1959, all the holly said fine, let Hawaii in the USA. Aloha was the word that was always being heard. In Honolulu, the defenseless prayed. First you take the beach as far as they could reach. There ain't nothing that money can't buy. Kanakas in the slums.
Alright, so we're off. What's happening, Marie?
Yeah, so we just cleared out a good surf session. It was amazing this morning. Now we're heading to Aitutaki in Cook Islands. So it's gonna be perfect for kiting, I think.
In 1947, all the sailors were in heaven. They in
So sometimes things go wrong at sea. What happened?
We had the shackle on the head swivel on the Genoa fella come apart. I think it may have worked itself loose. I had Loctite on it, but looks like it's popped open, so the sail slid down the foil, and luckily we managed to grab it before it went under the boat. So now we've got to go up and get the head swivel and bring it down and start again.
Hey Matthew, how do you feel?
Eat well.
You feel better now?
Let Hawaii in the USA. Aloha was the word that was always being heard. In Honolulu, the defenseless prayed. First you take the beach as far as they could reach. There ain't nothing that money can't buy. Kanakas in the slums, everybody dumb while the old folks sit and cry. Tahitians say, heat, 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 heat away. Heat, 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 my heat, my, my, my. Heat, 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 heat away. Heat, 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 my heat, my, my, my. A popo old boy raised on fishing, boy, ran away to Tahiti. I guess you might wonder what I'm doing coming down under far away from the land of the free. Father Vahini and I call her Huahini.
After clearing out of French Polynesia, we made our way via Aitutaki in the Cook Islands and set sail for Tonga.
It was the glory leg of the South Pacific coconut milk run, and we were lucky enough to be able to take my mum and dad along and let them experience some perfect offshore sailing.
We even got to stop in the Tongan Trench. We had a beautiful sunny glassy day.
Yep, I don't think every mum can say they've jumped into 10,000 metre deep water before. I was pretty proud of mum for doing a big bombing off the front.
All jumped off the boat and then we realised that, oh shit, there's nobody on the boat.
I was a little more planned than that, but yeah, at one stage there was nobody on Rome and we were all in the water.
I can see the sign of the same kind, the Yara and the Aloha. First to take the beach as far as they could be.
So we're about 120 nautical miles from Tonga now. We've got some really light downwind sailing conditions, about 10 knots of breeze. We've had the spinnaker out for the last couple of days and overnight, which has been really cool. And we're making about 5.5 knots boat speed. So we thought it was time for some experimenting. Michael's got the Genoa and the spinnaker out, wing and wing. Looks like it needs a little bit of assistance.
Put me in my going out gear.
He's got his Thursday underpants on in hope that we'll get there tomorrow, being Thursday.
Started hoping about 2 days ago.
So how's the wing and wing experiment going?
It's not going too bad actually, but
It appears
in this ultralight wind, we needed like a lighter weight sail than our Genoa to really stay full. You can see the spinnaker stays full and this collapses in all the time.
So currently it would appear that you are a human
Whisker pole.
whisker pole. And ahoy! You made it, Marie, your first ocean passage! You happy?
Oh yeah, so happy. I know I can do it now. Perfect.
You can get too bored, no surfing, no fighting?
I was afraid too at the beginning, but actually I managed to read, playing cards, chess, everything. It's
Yep.
good.
Very good.
Yeah.
You're a sailor now. Almost.
Almost. Yeah.
And
of course, ukulele. But we forgot to download the, how we say?
Music.
Yeah, music account. So next trip will be, I'll be a singer.
A singer.
A player.
A professional. Yep, you got a couple of big boogies, but we can't see them, so it's okay.
Newsworthy. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. I know Liz really got a kick out of going back through our footage from last year and sort of reliving it all and getting us excited to head back out there. So yeah, that was Polynesia 2017 and here we are in Opua, New Zealand, getting ready to head out for French Polynesia 2018. Tomorrow we're booked in to clear out to head back to French Polynesia. We've got long stay visas. We're going to try and do a bigger and better season than last year. Connect up with people out there. What is news though, whilst here in Opua we've met a really interested guy called Costa and he's developing a new website called Cruiser Satnet. What that's going to be allow us to do is send our position reports to his system, Cruiser Satnet, which will update it in sort of a satellite internet-based net system. So there's a new map on our website. It's live updates. It overlays with weather, and we'll be sharing those during the passage. Head on over to the Sail Surf Rome Facebook page and follow along. See you out there.